Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're going to teach you Python.
So today we're going to learn about the while loop. So first we're going to do count equals 0. So count is a variable. Then we're going to do while count is not 5. So exclamation equals is not. So we'll keep repeating whatever is in the while loop until count is 5. So in the while loop there's count plus equals 1. So it'll add 1 to count. So it's the same as count equals count plus 1. So on the first time it iterates the while loop, count will become 1. After adding 1 to count, we'll print count. So keep adding 1 and then printing count until count is 5, and then it'll stop.
So it starts at 0.
Yeah. But in the while loop, it'll add 1, so it'll start printing 1, not 0. Let's save it with Control S. Go to the terminal and type py while2.py and run it. So let's see. It printed 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it printed all the numbers from 1 to 5. And when count was 5, it stopped.
Because the while loop starts when count is 5.
Yeah.
So count is a variable.
Yeah. And it worked. So we're going to keep using the count equals 0 and print count. So we're going to change the while to while count is less than 20
or equal to.
Yeah, then count plus equals 3. So we'll add 3 to count. So keep repeating this until count is greater than 20. Let's save it, go to the terminal, and run it. So you can use up arrow to copy what you last typed in the terminal. So it printed, let's see, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So why did it print the 21? Well, after it printed the 18, it checked the while again. So 18 is still less than 20, so it added 3 to count, which is 21.
Yeah, 18 plus 21 equals, 18 plus 3 equals 21.
Yeah, and then printed 21. So it checked the while again, but 21 is more than 20, so it stopped.
Like this. Oh, let me see. Oh, it's 21. Stop the loop.
Okay, that worked. So now we're going to still print the count. We're going to do count equals 20. So now the count variable is 20. And then while count is greater than or equal to 0, then count minus equals 3. So now we're subtracting 3 from count. So on the first time it iterates the while loop, count will become 17, and then it will print 17 and repeat until count is less than 0. So let's save it, go to the terminal, and run it. So let's see what it printed. So it printed 17, 14, 11, 8, 5, 2, and negative 1. So it printed a negative 1 because after it printed the 2, it checked the while again, and 2 is still more than 0, so it subtracted 3 from 2, which is negative 1. And then it printed negative 1, and it checked the while again. But negative 1 is less than 0, so it stopped.
Like this. I'm stopping.
That worked. Now we're going to tell you the operator and the purpose. So equals is a sign, and then plus equals is add then a sign. Minus equals is subtract then a sign. Star equals is multiply then a sign. A forward slash equals is divide then a sign. Percentage equals is get the modulus then a sign. And the star equals is perform exponent then a sign. And thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like and subscribe. Bye bye.